Getting the most out of your equipment is an important part of business. The longer you use your equipment, the better the return on your investment.
That's why companies around the world start with hardworking and reliable Cummins engines, and when they wear out, repair or replace them with Cummins ReCon parts or engines.
Our line of ReCon parts includes injectors, pumps, turbochargers, air compressors, and more. Disassembled, inspected, cleaned, reassembled, calibrated, and tested in a Cummins remanufacturing facility to meet or exceed original specs.
A Cummins ReCon engine is one that has been completely disassembled, inspected, cleaned, tested, painted, and brought back to like-new condition, also in a Cummins remanufacturing facility. Why do so many service managers choose ReCon parts and engines? First, you get similar performance and durability as new, but at a significantly lower price.
ReCon parts and engines also receive the latest engineering updates during the remanufacturing process. They're backed by a Cummins warranty with extended coverage options.
And if you need to get your equipment quickly back into service, replacing the entire engine with a Cummins ReCon can be faster than trying to diagnose, disassemble, and repair.
Last but certainly not least, Cummins ReCon parts and engines are better for the environment. Remanufacturing helps Cummins deliver on its sustainability goal known as Destination Zero.
Parts can be reused multiple times, and remanufacturing uses less energy and produces fewer greenhouse gases.
Better for your bottom line, better for the environment, and better for serviceability.
Cummins ReCon parts and engines are the smart choice around the world. For more information, talk to your Cummins representative.